That is true. We have Amy Goscha here. She's with Goscha Law Firm, brand new in Edwards. She's a Colorado native, but she decided to bring it up to the Vail Mountains and perform some great law for you. And you specialize in anything from estate planning, probate, and family law.
Right. Yeah. So just opened my practice up here about 6 months ago. Came from the Denver area, and am happy to be up in the valley. And I do a lot of cutting edge work.
Yeah, tell us about this.
Yeah,
what are some
so
of the cutting edge trends in law right now?
Yeah, so in family law and estate planning, one of the biggest things that I'm working on is unbundled representation, which is hiring a lawyer kind of as a consultant to do really what the client wants for a reasonable price that they can rely on.
Okay, so unbundled, a little more a la carte instead of just one big package.
Yeah, so like in the family law area, it would be if someone just needed me to draft something, or they went to mediation and they want me to make sure the agreement looks good, so they can hire me for that. For estate planning, it's great because we do everything kind of on a flat fee basis anyway. So people can go to my website and see, if they want a simple will, it's, $700 for the entire package. So people know exactly, what they're getting. So that's the trend, is people getting what they need done, but for a price that they can.
Yeah, because the majority of people don't go to court just because of the cost.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. And they're scared. They're actually scared to contact a lawyer because they think every minute that they're on the phone with a lawyer, they're getting charged. And so I try to make it, let's be solution focused, and, here's your options to get done what you need to get done, and to keep it, so you have control over it instead of leaving it to a judge to decide.
Exactly. Because that's the thing. If you can have a say in what's going to be going on, it's more of a win-win for everyone.
Right. And the statistics actually are, in family law and in general, probably 10% or less of the cases actually go to court. But by the time that you get there, a lot of people have spent thousands and thousands of dollars in fees getting ready for court to present their case. So I try to help them, streamline it and avoid that.
Okay, and also same-sex couples, issues with family law and estate planning. You can help that.
Yeah. So I do a lot of that. I do the same-sex adoptions. I've done a lot of issues with artificial reproductive technology. So kind of the cutting edges in the family law area. I testified for the civil unions bill. Talked about tax consequences when you're transferring property, if not married couples or same-sex couples are splitting up. So just looking at the practicalities of what you need to look at to get that done.
Okay, and you're a busy gal. You participate in the snowshoe series.
Yeah.
You're a runner in the summertime, but it's great to see. And you're going to be bowling in the Sandy Tree Bowl-a-thon February 9th. That's sponsored by the Edwards Rotary Club, so you're getting involved in the community as well. And here's your website and everything, GoschaLaw.com. And we can find you in Edwards. You're right next to Zeno's.
Right, yep. Have my office right next to there, and I'm excited to be in the Valley and to help people kind of through their day-to-day issues that they face.
Okay, well, you can find out more by contacting Amy at Goscha Law Firm at GoschaLaw.com once again. We'll be right back. We have more Good Morning Vail coming up.